character section. Rampal Union Munshigঞ্জ Shodor. It was established 2002 by the late Marhum Alhaj Abdul Hakim Pusti. Currently, the madrasa has 820 students. It offers various departments such as the Nurani section from nursery to 3rd grade, a Hifzul Quran section and the Kitab section from 4th grade to Mishkat class. Additionally, there is a Fazilat section, 2nd year, which is equivalent on honors degree. Our madrasa is a beacon of Islamic education where students thrive both academically and spiritually. The environment of madrasa is peaceful and conducive to learning. With well-equipped classroom, students also benefit from modern facilities including comfortable dormitories. The dedication of administrative committee is evident in their continuous effort to improve the institution. Their efforts are led by the President of Committee and Chancellor of our Jamia, Honorable Alhaj Musharraf Hussain Pusti, may Allah preserve him, and also General Secretary Alhaj Ahmad Hussain Pusti, may Allah preserve him. Now, gentlemen, you will be pleased and fascinated to know that this year 32 students have completed the memorization of Quran and have become a Hafiz. Over the past 4 years, a total 141 students have become a Hafiz. Last year, our students achieved the following ranks: 3rd, 6th, 11, 14, 15, and 40, with the 18 students making it the merit list. Additionally, 81 students received A grade. Over the past 4 years, our students have a secured position from 1st to 11th with a total of 105 students making it the merit list and 250 students receiving A grade. As usual, our students also occupied the 1st, 6th, 7th, and 9th position in the Bangladesh Hifzul Quran Foundation Munshigঞ্জ district competition. Dear audience, a total 42 teachers and staff members work in this madrasa, and they are dedicatedly working to develop the student and the institution. For the past 4 years, the madrasa has been successfully managed under the supervision of Mufti Mahmud Hassan Alamgir Damat Barakatuhum, and it continues to progress and nice consequences, elevate day by day. Therefore, we kindly ask for you heartfelt prayers for the success and well-being of student, teachers, management committee, and all well-wishers of this madrasa. Thank you for joining with us. Assalamu alaikum.
সম্মানিত মুসলিম তাওহীদি জনতা, এই পর্যায়ে আমাদের